Okay, papunta na kami sa bangkang sasakyan namin. Punta ng isla ng Coron. Ayan, may sa atin. Okay, ito yung aming bangka, Holy Taps.
You hear my voice from behind the back? You hear my voice? You hear me?
Naririnig mo daw.
Yeah. Hello? Alright. So sorry about my voice because last night I had concert. It's okay. Nobody watched it. Before we proceed to our first destination this morning, we are going to have a short briefing. Alright? So regarding to our itinerary, of course, to our safety. It is just very short briefing. It is just 1 hour briefing on. Is that okay?
No, that's very long.
That's very long?
Yes.
No. Very short. But before that,
Alright.
I'm going to raise 110% of your energy. Later on, we have so many activities. Okay? Remember, we have swimming. We also have snorkeling. We also have snorkeling. Dancing. Boxing. Gambling. Anything except for nothing. Let me just check if we have anything for today's tour. When I say hep hep, you should say El Nido. Now we just tried it. Hep hep! El Nido! One more. Hep hep! El Nido! 10 more. Hep hep! El Nido! Please give applause to ourselves. Give applause. I like your cooperation. Well, anyway, energy accepted.
What's your name? Sorry, what's your name?
So anyway, my name is Dexter. I am one of your tour guides today. It's either you like it or not. Very nice to meet you.
No choice.
Okay? Very nice to meet you, ma'am, sir. And since you are about 20 people on board, my co-guides or partner guides, that's Kuya Don Don.
Hello, Kuya Don Don.
So Kuya Don Don and I, we are your official tour guide.
Tari si Sir Don Don sa
assistant bodyguard. and safeguard. Now, the most important person in the store, that's our veterans captain. Can we just welcome him a round of applause? Captain Elmer.
Okay.
Captain Jack.
Captain Elmer. Yan.
Not Jack Sparrow. Jack Stowe. The amazing brother of Jack Sparrow. And he is also a former captain of Titanic.
Naunahan na tayo.
So he is wearing the good hand today. So Captain Jack has to put assessment at the same time. Our underman, our staff, it will take about 1 hour. 1 hour
Helicopter.
by swimming. But since we take the boat, it is just
Helicopter
25
island.
minutes to get there. And that's the place where they're having snorkeling activity. Right? Second destination, that will be the Head and Feet. Third destination, that will be my personal favorite place. This is our lunch area. Talisay Beach. Okay? Fourth destination, that is the Secret Beach. Okay? And our last stop this afternoon, it is Matinlong Shrine. That is the main attraction of our tour, I can tell you. But I would like you to know that Matinlong Shrine is a private place. Just to be able to see the viewing.
Dapat nagsalampak lang si baby dyan. Dapat niya. Okay. Yan yung mga rock formation dito. 30 minutes.
And please put it in your seat. Lagyan nyo lang po sa ilalim ng upuan. Magaling naman kayo kumawin. Ay, tiwala kayo sa light. Ay, sa light ko. Hindi, lumutan din yan ma'am. I also want to see when starting, as you can see that we have a line right over there. So you should be inside of that line. Which is safe for us to swim and starting, okay? And for those who are not a good swimmer, you may also bring the life vest. But please, do not make it wet. So we'll be here for at least 40 minutes. Ha? Dalayin niyo lang po. Ingatan niyo lang. Ewan mo ba?
Okay. Dito na kami sa Helicopter Island. First destination today. Tapos dito pupunta na naman mamaya kami doon sa ibang destination. Bali 5 destination ang aming pupuntahan ngayong araw.
So tayo doon sa background ha. Habang nakatupi ako.
Hindi mo maliligo?
Maliligo ba na kung ano? Ano ko yung
Kala ko kuweba yun.
Alright everyone, so after 35 minutes of boat ride, we are now here to our second destination. And this is Hidden Beach. Okay? That's right behind of these rocks. There is another rock. After that rock, it is a beach. Okay? This time you have to swim that way, a little going around the corner, just to get the beach inside or behind. Right? So activities, swimming, and shooting. Of course, the most interesting inside is this rock formation. We have here for at least half an hour for our defense. And as swimmer, you have to wear your life vest for your safety. And you have to wear your shoes as well.
Okay, nandito na kami sa Talisay Beach, sa Kainan Beach. Okay. Pang third destination namin. Ito na kami sa pangatlo. Sa Talisay Beach. Okay guys, magsiset up na kami ng table para kumain dito sa isla ng saan na ba? Dito tayo. Dito kami sa Tago Island. Yan. Anong isla nga to kanina? Okay, Talisay Island. Kasi may Talisay. Yan kasi Talisay yan din. Ayan yung mga puno na yan. Puno ng Talisay yan eh. Dito sa Talisay may buko.
Ito lang yan.
No chorus, no good. Okay, eating time dito kami sa Talisay Island. Sa Talisay Island kami.
Aba, gusto nyo rin namin yung berry, may kuya. Sa cellphone nyo, aba, gusto nyo rin yung berry. Ito ba?
Okay, dito kami sa island ng Coron. Dito sa Talisay Island. Okay, papasok tayo dito sa parang kuweba. Okay, ito lang pala, may tagusan lang. Yun, tagusan lang pala doon sa kinainan namin kanina. Ito matagas dito na tubig sa yan. Yan, dito yan sa isla Coron.
Okay, so from here going to Beth Beach, that's probably 10 to 15 minutes to get there. And our last stop is Matinlo's Drive. That is the place that we have to pay 200 pesos because it is a private place. Narinig yung sinabi ko? Sabi ko, try lang natin kung makakapasok tayo na sige.
Okay, dito na kami sa aming fourth destination. Sa Pasinloc. Mayroon daw dyan yung maliit na prutas na pwedeng papasukin.
Sa alon?
Parang nag-sightseeing lang sila eh. Hindi na sila nakapasok eh. High tide eh, no? Pero pag pinasok yan, saan hanggang saan ang ano niyan, Tagos? Doon sa kabila. Wala bang detour yan? Sa kabila ng, dito yung mga rock formation na yun sa kabila.
Ayun po sir. Yan.
Oh, okay. Akala ko doon sa pinakamataas na pader, sa kabila.
Ayun yung butas na yan sir.
Ah. Yun, oo. Maganda ba sa loob niyan? May
Just to see the whole.
hindi tayo makapasok doon.
All of the secret beach, okay?
Pero pwede din naman yan, kaya lang dadive ka sa loob.
So when you get to the entrance, you might hit the rock. So for safety reason, safety purposes, we are going to replace it. Nasa total replacement of this snorkeling area. Look, what is this?
Ayun, high tide, kaya hindi kami na makakapasok dyan. Yan, may butas.
Did you see that? It is very dangerous.
Tagos doon sa kabila.
Alright everyone, so we're going to escape this place.
Okay. Sightseeing na lang kami dito. Hindi kami makababa dahil high tide at maalon.
Sorry for now.
Ayaw kami payagan ni tourist guide. Kaya sightseeing na lang kami na mami. Let's move on. Masyado maalon guys. Kaya yan walang bumaba na magtangkang pumasok doon sa loob ng butas. Tagos doon sa kabila ng mga rock formation na yan. Kaya nag-sightseeing na lang kami dito sa Pasinloc. Ayan. Nag-sightseeing na lang. Okay guys.
Ayan yan!
Back out.
Alis kami!
Back out kami. Back out. Back out.
Ito na lang din sila, no?
Masyado maalon.
Marami kayo magkukwento!
Mabuti rin kayo ngayong araw na to.
Tawag natin, story of your life.
Sige, tuloy ninyo para kwento na lang iwan. Okay, nagmamaniobra kami. Back out kami dito. Parang katulad lang din yan yung pinantuhan natin kanina doon sa kabila lang din ng kabila rin ng baka. Ano na yan, mga bato. Okay, back out kami. Diretso doon. Sightseeing na lang. Ganda kasi sana yan dyan kung hindi maalon at saka hindi high tide. Papasok doon sa kabila ng mga rock formation. Ganda. yung Mansinloc.
This line is
Ganda na.
right behind this line.
Ha?
Right in the middle of this line.
Ganda, no? Ganda ng rock formation niya.
Okay? The viewing point is up there. So from there you will see the panoramic view of the sky. You are located at this. Go mountains. Okay? The only activity
Parang may bahay dun sa kabila.
sightseeing
Ay, ano ba yun? Ah, parang ano, pinadaungan ng ano. Ganda. Oh, ganda ng ano.
Sino mag-go sa inyo? Where did ito? Wait lang ah. Mag-go. Hello po. Go kayo sir.
Okay, dito kami sa Matinloc. Ganda ng rock formation. Ganda. Parang may ano yan, parang simbahan, parang ano. Parang ano, pinaka mukhang pinatayo pa ng mga old ano to. Sino ito? Sino? Parang panahon na ng Hapon pa ito. I was once at Mexico, Pampanga in April 2022 in accord with the domestic and international law. Oh, pwede pala makiat sa taas yun.
Ayoko makyat.
Parang si Ferdinand Marcos.
Ha?
Parang si Ferdinand Marcos man yan.
Hanggang saan yan?
Diyan lang yan, diyan lang.
Anong gagawin sa taas?
Okay, Matinloc Island. Yan ang ganda.
Ano pa lang sa inyo mga kaya? Saan? Puntaan doon? Puntaan doon. Dali puntaan doon.
Matinloc Island dito sa Coron.
Sabay. Pag mga pangit na picture Tatalon ka, tumalon ka na. Bibidyohan kita.
Okay. Dito na kami
O,
sa
dali na. Siya muna, nauna siya.
taas.
Ikaw na, boy.
Huwag na intindihan ka niya, ma.
Ay, ano ba to? You're a foreigner? Oh, what?
Taiwan.
Ah, Taiwan, okay.
We've been there
Okay.
last year.
So, siya muna.
Welcome here in Philippines.
Ano niya, kamera niya?
Our friend in Taiwan.
Taiwanese. Thailand yung sawadi ka. Abu sayap to.
Okay, tara na. Ay, meron pa ba?
O, hindi pa kami na picture, agrobe naman
Hindi pa
to.
sila.
Tour yan sila, tito.
Ay!
Sige, ma'am. Babala ba kayo, ma'am?
Okay guys, umakit ako dito sa rock formation.
Ready na?
Taas.
Ready. Okay, sige, pause.
Doon kami nanggaling kanina.
Smile. Another one. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another one. And again. And 4, 3, 2.
Okay, dito kami sa Matinloc Island of Coron,
Okay, nakaharap ka.
Palawan.
Para mas maganda. Ready? Again. More. Okay. Turo doon sa unahan. Turo lang sa unahan. Naka-point ka. Yan. Perfect. Again.
Okay, bababa na. Teka. Okay, bababa na. Pagdadulas, kwento na tira.
Marami ta?
Isang group yun. Okay na po, sunod.
Guys, tara daw po. Baby, tara na.
Okay guys. Ano naman yan nandyan?
Meron daw ka.
May Santo Niño. Santo Niño.
Ulit nga. Ay, di.
Sige. Go na.
Daming cameraman, oh.
Okay guys, yan po yung aming artist.
Artista ba yan? Panglaban namin yan. Daming cameraman,
Ano
oh.
yung pasikat?
Panglaban yan.
Pasikat.
Baka hindi mo pa ilaban yan dito, tayo-tayo na lang. Ilaban mo na yan.
Kaya ko naman eh.
Wala akong picture si Jeremy Delpino. Bumula na pala ako, bar.
Okay guys, may nagsushooting dito. Nagsushooting.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Okay lang yan, sa beach naman tayo eh.
Okay, human drone. Ayan. Yeah! Oh. Yan o.
Balok ka, kuya.
Travel time, 45 minutes away from here. Please enjoy the rides and enjoy the scenery. Trip muna kayo mamalayo. Malapit na lang.
Kami po meron.
Doon sa kabila po, yun. Lipit na yun. Kabila na yun eh.
Kami po meron.
Meron po kami sa
destination dito sa mga isla ng Coron, Palawan. Yun, nag-iisang rock formation sa pinakagitna ng dagat. Ito din dito sa Coron, Palawan. Okay, pabalik kami ng port ng Palawan. So, ano ang market doon na? Ano nga market na? Market niya kanina doon. Ano yung
Public market?
ano ba yun?
Dito.
Dito. Yan guys, galing kami ng 5 destination, mga isla-isla. Kaya pabalik na kami ng port ng El Nido. Bukas ulit. Pang 3 days tomorrow. Okay. Pabalik kami dito sa port ng El Nido. Galing kami sa mga isla ng Coron. Second days here in Palawan, Coron. Sa 5 destination kami.
Pipigil ako sa lahat. Hindi ko talaga kaya pigilan. May nakalagay sa that's for tomorrow morning. And good afternoon for today. Please double check all of your things po before you leave on this boat. Make sure that we don't forget anything on this boat, okay? For those who rent the mask and shoes at Marvel's is earlier, the owner of it is just waiting at the end of this floating. Please give a very big thanks to our captain to take us back safe and sound to town.
Thank you, Kap. Thank you.
Appreciated much, very big. I think this is the most releasing parts of our tour, you know? Saying goodbye to everyone. Oh my God. I wanna cry.
Don't
So
cry.
in behalf of Alexa's Traveling Tours and of course and the rest of my team po, we would like to say thank you so much for choosing and visiting in Nido, Palawan. I hope that we have a reason that you will come back again. See you around, have a dinner, and have a safe trip to next week. God bless you all. Once again.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, anyway, for those who are willing to give something for my team, we have a team cashier eh. Thank you po. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
See you when I see you.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Sana all.
Okay. Tapos na yung aming 5 destination. Tomorrow again.
Military.
Yan. Ito kami naglalakad sa floating plastic road. Okay. Tapos din